morning. Still here, daily life in the Smokies. We got snow coming back again here. Coming down pretty heavy here. We're on eastbound or westbound 40 here. The interstate just started. This interstate just got covered up pretty quick here. But yeah, we just got that 8 to 10 inches of snow. And here we go again. This is Friday, just in time for the weekend for that major freeze to come back through. So I'm trying to drive a little cautious on the interstate here. But yeah, good old snowstorms back again. They told everybody to stay off the roads, but looky here, look where I'm at. Probably made a big mistake. So I figured I'd just bring you the video as I'm going through here. But yeah, I was just like, all of a sudden I was driving through nothing, and all of a sudden it just came down hard on us. Covered up the roads really quick. Sorry if the video seems kind of dark, but it's kind of really dark out. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's dark out today with this snow coming down like it is. Semis flying up past us here. That's all we need is one jackknife up here. I'd rather see you slow down a little bit and keep the roads open instead of locking them up. It's coming down hard. I don't know if y'all can see how big those flakes are really are on that camera or not. Some people in this other lane snow covered here just flying by you. Those are the ones that wreck and run off the road. But good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, depending on what time you are watching, or good evening. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this on your social media accounts, on your Facebook and Instagram, or wherever you got, Twitter. But snow in the Smokies. We got hit hard this week. I hit on Monday and Tuesday there, and then now again on Friday. And last night had nothing but ice come down. This morning went the driveway and it was a sheet of ice. Doing about probably 35 miles an hour on the interstate here. It wasn't supposed to get this heavy. Maybe it'll be done here in a little bit. I think there's only off like an inch or so, but do have several videos of back roads here popping up too as each day goes. I've been videoing, driving around every day. I probably got 4 or 5 videos each day I've got, but I ain't putting them up every day, like all 4 or 5 of them. I can spread them out a little bit. But this is Friday, January 19th. I'll try to make them quick, short videos here too, though, as I go. So I'll probably come back here again here shortly and give you another video. So until the next video, guys, God bless y'all.